Hi there.
Hi.
How are you? Look at your beautiful baby.
Thank you.
We're excited to be able to celebrate with the first patients, the moms and the babies of our postpartum expansion. And we're doing that by presenting them gifts in a basket from our gift shop.
Thank you.
In the basket, we have some really sweet items for babies. This is our latest, greatest item. It's a onesie that'll be available. Something we're very excited about is to partner with a local flower farm called Early June. Something else for moms that is in our basket is a hand stamp necklace. This lady hand stamps these based on an experience that she had here at Williamson Health when she had her baby. In the basket, there's a note from Caroline Bryan, and Caroline is one of the co-chairs of our capital campaign, and so she's an ambassador for the foundation, and so her experience with both of her boys being born here inspired her to write a note to these mothers.
My colleagues and I are so excited about this expansion because it's going to offer a great new space for moms and families to come and celebrate life.